Hi and welcome back to Hobbies Inc. So in today's video we would be making some loom bracelets from the simple rubber bands that you can find at any store. So for this video I have bought these rubber bands, and these are all mixed in colors, and these are coming in a cute bottle. So the first step is to segregate these colors because these are all messed up and I don't want to use the colors haphazardly. So I will be separating them one by one. Another thing that you will be requiring for making this bracelet are the pencils. You can either use pencils or your fingers, and in this video I will be showing you both the ways how to make loom bracelets in both the ways. So you'll be grabbing your two pencils and taking the first rubber band and crossing it over the other pencil. Then you will be taking another rubber band and it won't be crossed over, and one more, and that would also be not crossed over. So only the first rubber band is crossed over, and then you're going to put it or cross it rather the other two. So the process is same for the fingers as well, but it's a little bit hard for fingers to handle all these rubber bands. So you can use pencil, but I like to do it on my fingers, so I'll be doing the entire process on the fingers. So you'll be repeating this step over and over and over again until you reach the desired length for the bracelet. So here I have reached my desired length for this bracelet. So we're going to cross over until only the last rubber band is left. Now we have to join the two ends to make a complete circle. So I would be taking these two ends like this from one side, and you don't have to leave them, otherwise your bracelet would be open. Then on the starting side you have to take this loop, and then together these two and those two from the start and from the end, you hold them together without leaving them, otherwise your bracelet would open. So hold them like this and grab another rubber band and pull it through the two rubber bands, and then pull one end of the rubber band through the other end of the same rubber band and pull it like I am doing here. So at this stage you'll pull it and tighten it, and your loom bracelet is ready, and I am really liking the colors of it. So now we are going to make another loom bracelet. For it we'll be taking some more rubber bands. I'm choosing some pink and some red rubber bands. In this bracelet I'll be showing you how to add beads to the bracelet. So we'll be taking these rubber bands and we will be putting these rubber bands through the beads like this, and we will repeat this step onto many rubber bands so that our bracelet would be complete, because we want a beaded bracelet. So we're going to repeat this step for the pink and for the red rubber bands. So the first step is to grab a simple rubber band and cross it over, then grab the beaded rubber band and without crossing it, just put two ends of the rubber band over two fingers and cross the first rubber band. Then we're going to repeat this step like we did in the previous bracelet. So after repeating these steps again and again, we will finally have a full length bracelet. So again we have to tie the two ends, so we will do the same process. Hold the two ends like this, grab a simple rubber band and pull it through, then pull one end of the rubber band through the other loop and pull it, and the bracelet is complete. So it's going to look something like this. Comment down to let us know which one of the bracelets you liked better. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.